Okay, I just turned up in the post. Bought this off eBay. What have we got? Should be LED President 1975 watch. Sent this to me as a cat owner. So looking well wrapped. It's got the manual, President's instruction, and bits and pieces. Oh, it's in a bit of a state. That's what I'll do. So really easy. So I've got the booklet, got the watch case, which is filthy. That's going to need cleaning. It's a bit scratched. Got the back of the case, filthy, needs cleaning. The rubber grommet, which is vitally important for it to work, locking ring, and the module. Broken panel. So this is truly hosed. That's a shame. But there we go. Can't have everything. And one of the battery things on the back of the thing has failed. Come off, so I can always stick that back on. And they sent me the batteries as well, which are probably duff. Duracell. It's a shame about the module. That means it's been whacked at some stage and the 4-panel Hughes module has failed. Which is the shame. I can see the panel actually in there, in the back. Okay. So 40 quid, probably not well spent, but means I'll have to go back on eBay and go and see if I can find a Hughes module knocking around that's working, that hasn't been damaged. It's like looking for gold dust. There we go. Never mind.